Morning, dear students. Today I am going to solve problem of your maths book, chapter number 8, that is going on. Lesson name is money, and our today's topic is latest access. Today I will teach you how to solve this problem. Here there are some objects, and in each object's tag are there all in all these objects. So now you have to use coins to buy the following objects by circling them. One is done for you. Suppose here is a pencil given, and what is the price tag of this pencil? ₹7. So how much? Here are some coins given. Now you have to choose to make 7 rupees. Which of these coins you need to make 7? Here is rupees 1. Here also 1 rupees coin, here 2 rupees coin, here 2 also, and here 5 rupees coin, and here 5 rupees coin. To make 7, which of these coins you have to need? Yes, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Likewise, in a pen, to buying a pen, how much coins you need? Here coins also given 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 5. To make 9, how much coins you have to add? 5. If we add 5 plus 2, then we get 7. And if we add 7 plus 2, then we get rupees 9. So we have to circle this 3 coins, 5 plus 2 plus 2. Likewise, in number C, a balloon is tagged with rupees 5. To purchase a balloon, how much money you have to pay? Rupees 5. To make 5, here are given 50 paise, 1 rupees, and 2 rupees. So 250 paisa make 1 rupees. That means 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So we need rupees 5 to purchase this balloon. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So this is your correct answer. Now number D, likewise you have to solve this. Now let's see second number. Ring coins or notes needed to buy the given fruits. Okay, you have to ring the coins to buy these given fruits. Suppose you need an apple and you have to pay rupees 14. Then how much money how much notes and money you have to pay? If we add 5 plus 2, then we get rupees 9 only. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So this is not correct sequence of money. Here we have to add rupees 10 plus 2. If we add rupees 10 plus 2, that means we get rupees 14. So circle this. Likewise, you have to complete number B, number C, number D. Okay, let's solve. Let's see one more example that I solve it for you. Here is mango cost is rupees 12. Then how much notes or coins you have to need? that means rupees 5 plus 5 plus 2. If we add these 3 rupees, that means if we add these two coins and one note, then we get rupees 12. Like 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 5 is equal 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Likewise, you have to complete number C, number D. In the third number, here is given add and write the answer. To make total, to know what amount is here, to make total, what we need, yes, we need to add the all numbers, like all rupees, like 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20 is equal to 40, and 40 plus 2 is equal to 42, 42 plus 2 is equal to 44. So here is total rupees 44. Here rupees 10, 10, 10 and 5. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 and 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. Total amount is rupees 35 here. Likewise, you have to solve numbers C and D. Next, tick the vegetables that cost more. Also write how much more. Okay, here are some price given of vegetables. Now you have to compare and tell which vegetable cost is more and by how much. Let's see an example. Here is cauliflower and cauliflower cost is rupees 13. Here is brinjal and brinjal cost is 7. So by looking them, cauliflower cost is more, but how much? If we subtract 13 minus 7, that means 6 rupees. Cauliflower cost rupees 6 more. Okay, brinjal cost is only 7, but cauliflower cost is 13. So how much more amount to buying a cauliflower we have to pay? So if we subtract 13 minus 7, if we subtract, then we get the answer. Likewise, here cabbage and cucumbers. Cabbage price is rupees 24 and cucumber price is rupees 10. Then which vegetables cost is more? Cabbage. So write it here. Cabbage cost rupees. To know how much more, we have to subtract. So if we subtract 24 minus 10, then we get the result. So 24 minus 10 is equal to 14. That means cabbage cost is rupees 14 more than cucumbers. Likewise, here given potatoes cost 12 and pumpkin cost 28. So which vegetable cost is more? Pumpkin. So write here pumpkin cost rupees. To know how much, we have to subtract. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Pumpkin cost rupees 16 more. Likewise, you have to solve this last one. Complete this exercise. Thank you.